going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today actually I'm going to be talking about how you can make shirts for under $500. I'm sure there's other videos out there about this, but I'm going to do my video on it the way I started out. Basically, if you don't want to start a business, you just want to make shirts from home, just for, you know, if you have your daughter's cheerleading, things like that, birthday parties, whatever, that you can just make shirts from home for your family, friends. You can start for under $500 like the way I did before I wanted to do anything with this. So what I'm talking about here is you can get this heat press from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of this. This is a $200 heat press, and after the inflation, I actually looked it up, I think it's only $209 now. You could also get the Cricut, which is the Cricut Explorer 2, and that's up for sale. I see it goes for $179, $200. So right there, you got $400 to start. And you get your mat and your Cricut. It comes with a mat and it comes with a weeding tool. So really the only thing you gotta go out and do is basically get your vinyl, which you can go to Joann Fabrics, Michaels, even Walmart carries vinyl. You can start off with just your like basic vinyl, or even off Amazon. I did a video on that where you could get actually Amazon heat transfer vinyl, which is what I'm gonna be using in this video. I'm just gonna do a quick thing just to show you basically how I'm gonna do it on the Cricut for the people new watching my channel. That for $500, this is how I started. I literally got the Cricut design. You know, you put in your design, whatever you want. I'm gonna do a simple design today, but that's just how you could start off very small to see if you even like doing t-shirts, or, you know, if you wanna just make stuff here and there for your family, like I said. But I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna press up a shirt real quick. I already got my design space set up. Got my mat loaded already, just to show you guys how quick and easy it is. So I'm gonna get right into that. I looked this up. This I saw it's about $200 now. It was a lot more when I got it, but now these are basically down in price because they have newer ones. But this is about $200 bucks. You got to download the design space, and like I said, just getting your vinyl. You can get cheaper vinyl. You can do whatever you want just to start off and to just print shirts for home, just for fun, just for whatever, and only for under $500. I mean, really can't beat that. So I already have my design set up here. Make sure you mirror your image. Your shiny side you want down on your mat. These are very simple to use. I really didn't have any problems in the beginning. The most problem I had, I think, was just even downloading the thing. That was the hardest thing. But once I got it all set up, everything was pretty self-explanatory. But I mean, these things are just, it's a cheap way to start making shirts from home. I mean, for anything, just make a couple bucks here and there. Even if you don't want to make a couple bucks, just to have fun making shirts or whatever. You could cut decals on this. You could do tons of things on this. So I'm gonna let this load up, and then I'll speed it up in the video for you guys so you're not sitting here watching through it. This is actually the weeding tool that came with the Cricut. I went out and bought my own after I got everything. Just ways to make it easier for me. Because once you get into it, you could use that tool. That tool is fine to use, but I just wanted to get a kit of a bunch of different things that I could use to make it easier for doing decals or whatever. But I'm gonna weed this out quick, so I will speed this up in the video so you guys don't have to sit and watch all this, because I'm gonna get right to pressing on the shirt after this. Guys, there you go. Simple design. Like I said, you could make anything from home, any type of color. You could layer stuff to make different colors with vinyl. There's other ways you can get transfers too, where you just order, there's lots of places where I have in other videos where you could order cheaper transfers, full color. Tons of ways that you can do it with a $200 heat press, $200 vinyl cutter, and you can make shirts, decals, whatever you want to do from home. It's just an easy, simple way. So I'm gonna get right to pressing this shirt. All right, so I put my press at 322 because this press is different. put this in the description. Get yourself a temp gun so you can read the temperature on these old presses. I had this about 2 years, so the temperature is always off. This is pretty, some days it's off, some days it's on. Today it's actually on point today, but I have it at 15 seconds for this. You want to do medium to firm pressure. Even the shirts, you can just go get a shirt from the, like I said, Michaels, Joanna Fabric, even Boscov's, anywhere, just to practice, mess around with. I'm gonna pre-press it. Put this on medium pressure for this. You want a cover sheet. These are Teflon sheets. I'll leave these in the description too. Everything I'm using here, I'll leave it in the description. So how I do it, center it up. I go about 3 to 4 fingers down. And if you don't feel like you're centered, oh, actually, my bad. I'm gonna lint roll it. You wanna make sure it's clean. That's my bad. Lint roll it in the area that you're doing it. Just gonna pre-press. Cover sheet. Oh, this is what I was saying. One of these t-shirt guide. This thing, I use this thing all the time. I'll put that in the description. If you're not sure if you're lined up or not, you have your cover sheet. Vinyl is hot peel. Okay, right over the easy. I usually, with this press, I'm gonna hit it again for a couple seconds. I'm gonna let it cool and then hit it again. Put a little more pressure on it before I peel it off. Everybody's press is going to be different. Mine's just getting old. Tighten this down a little bit. Medium to firm pressure. Hit it for a couple more seconds. Just to make sure it's into the material. I'll leave the link to this vinyl. This is, I got this off Amazon. I'll leave the link to this too. It's pretty decently cheap. Go. You can make t-shirts in your house for under 500 bucks. So I'll show you guys the actual shirt, and at the end of the video I'll hold it up in the camera for you guys. Alright guys, there you go. That was just a quick video on how to make t-shirts or any shirts at your house for under $500 to have the equipment to do it. With heat press from Amazon, $200. And then I have the Cricut Explore Air 2. Right now these are down to about $200. So you can go buy one of these and get started. And then if you get better at it or want to keep going with it, spend more money. That's basically what I did. I spent on a Epson printer, things like that once I started getting into it. But I started off with vinyl cutter and a cheap heat press. Still using the same heat press from 2 years ago. So I just want to do a quick video for you guys so you guys can start off a little printing at your house. So if you would, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, plus I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this other content. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.